Turn left.
Fuck this.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, I'm not down, Lee.
Yes!
It's closed. It's
Dude, that looks
closed.
fucking
It
sticky.
is closed.
Oh shit, I got scared.
But it was open over there.
Nah, I think. But if it's open right there, which.
California Avenue.
Yeah.
Make a U-turn at Lemon Avenue.
No, look, key, that was the entrance.
I thought it was open over there.
Just go around it.
Nah.
It still looks
What?
even scary.
That looks sketchy, bro. Fuck.
Is he dead or is he alive? I'm just
Hey,
kidding.
Liz, put up your window, please.
You wanna go all the way around?
Please put up
It-
your window.
Just drive around
See if we pick up something.
it. The thing is, if we find one entrance, we need to know that we can only get out that entrance.
Which is gonna be the sucky part. Because you know it's bad, like it's not a really good thing to like basically like step
Yo, look how
on
empty.
people's tunes and shit. This one looks just scary for real.
Honestly, can you put your window up? I don't like that.
I wouldn't like to live
Can you
by
put your
a
window?
cemetery.
Yo, look over here.
You're still not putting up your window.
I know.
Put it up.
What?
Put your window up.
It's hot. Summer.
I'll put the air on.
Huh?
I'll put the air on. Just put your window up.
I will. Shit. Should I go over here?
It's locked.
It's locked.
Oh no. I think there might be people in there.
Are you scared? Like a U-turn. Yes. What's wrong with you, man?
What?
What?
Nothing. That place is like fucking scary.
What
And it's a
place?
circle, bro.
Yeah, that one's a circle.
Look, it's a circle. The cemetery is a circle.
Yo.
That's fucking creepy.
Look at that place.
This is scary.
This street's like low. Why is my phone in
Yeah, put your window up, bro. Seriously.
here? We're not even
I will.
there. Can you imagine if we're there?
We're not even inside.
I know, it's just scary, the vibe. I don't like this.
I know the vibe just feels weird.
Let's just drive by our cemetery one more time before we get home.
Oh, hell no, it's more than 12.
What the fuck
What
is
is
that?
that?
Okay, you guys all heard it.
I don't feel like this at
Something's calling us to go there. That's why we try to look at it.
I can have phone back.
That's in the morning. Why are they chirping?
Dead people.
Cause yes.
Because yes.
I bet.
Honestly, that's not even cool, bro.
We're not even inside
And it's creepy, right?
yet.
Don't go in.
No, for real though, the vibe feels weird.
Yeah, this whole street. To the floor.
Yo, it's not turning green. What
Oh my
the
god, there's
hell?
something there. Over there.
Those birds are tripping me out,
Oh,
honestly.
The birdies.
Yeah. Don't go in, bro.
I'm
They
not.
don't chirp like that. What the fuck?
Birds don't chirp at 1 in the morning.
Exactly.
And they don't chirp like that either.
Oh, fuck. Look inside.
That's terrifying and it's pitch black.
Why is that guy just walking by there?
It's just it. Isn't that open right there, though?
No, it's gay.
Oh, it
That's so scary.
Dude, look at
That's pitch black.
Just walking by.
Oh my god, there's an entrance right there. I think.
is. And it's open, right? Or am I wrong?
Look gated.
Just turn right here. Just driving by it creeps us out.
Yeah.
Imagine being in it.
Fuck that.
Mm-mm. That place, the birds chirping the way they don't do.
Chill, dude. We're not even inside.
No. I don't want to go inside.
Who says we're going? Inside. Oh my god, look at that dude. Are we going in?
Is it open?
It is.
Oh shit, it is.
Huh?
Why is it closed over here? I don't get that.
Because that's the main entrance.
I don't know.
Because that's not an exit.
Okay, if we go in through there, you would go all the way out.
Yeah, that's not right.
I know, and then we can't go through all that, like,
We can't get lost.
in that place looks like we would get lost, for real. To find the
That's
door.
a gigantic cemetery. Fun and games when it's our tiny one.
Yeah. Ours is like fun. That one just looks fucking terrifying.
Fun?
Yeah, 'cause we
No,
just
because
gotta
there's
get
only
out.
one way out, and you saw in the back.
No way in. No way.
It's a freaking construction site.
Are you guys down to go on foot?
No,
No.
I'm not down.
Be
Fuck
down.
no, because that's the
There's only one way in and one way out.
No way in. No way in.
No, bro. I'm not down.
Let's go on foot. I'll park.
What?
Alice reaction.
Dude, this looks fucking, yeah, that one's open.
Right?
It's open. I just keep driving straight, or we don't need to do this.
Or if you turn, follow that
I'm
car.
gonna go
Drive
left.
around
Yeah.
it. Yeah. That's not,
That's not look safe at all.
it's pitch black. I wouldn't even know that one has roads or anything.
Bro, this one's so much bigger.
Fuck no, and it's past her.
Dude, there's tombs up here and shit too. Where's this? Wilson Springs Park.
We're about to get killed right
This is a park by the cemetery. Oh,
Why are they cars?
They're fucking, I don't know.
You put the child lock in there.
This is not.
What? Are you going down and see the cemetery from here?
I'm not kidding.
You want to?
No.
Should we do it?
No.
Let's go.
Alright. No.
All right.
Park.
No.
Little Springs Park.
A park next to the
Yeah, that's
cemetery.
That's so wrong. It's so many levels.
yeah.
It's like, oh.
What?
Isn't there a cemetery by Carpenter?
That's the
That's the one we went.
No. We were on the other side.
There's two cemeteries.
Oh shit! That shit scared me.
Dude, look at how it looks.
Yeah, there's two cemeteries in Downey. It's not just that little one. Not fireworks, but
Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck was
Nah,
that?
bro, don't go
Lisa,
in.
no,
Don't
no,
go
no,
in.
no,
No, seriously, bro, don't go in. Bro. Oh my god. Please, bro, don't fucking do
We don't even
this.
have a way out. We don't even have a
Bro,
way out.
why the
We
fuck
don't
would you
even
do
have a
this?
way out. We don't even have a way
No,
out.
bro, you fucked up.
No. There's the next
Gabby,
right there.
shut
There's the
up.
next right there. I want the window up. I want the window up.
Bro, why the
Dude,
fuck would you
there's
do
not
this?
even a way out.
How the
guys.
fuck are you
There's no
gonna...
way out. There's not a way out. Look. How the fuck are we gonna get
Please,
out?
go around, bro.
No, we need to go like
No,
backwards.
bro.
We need to go backwards. We need to go backwards.
please
We need to go
no.
backwards. We need to go backwards.
It's no
I don't
joke.
fit.
Exactly, you dumbass.
Oh my god.
No, you do fit, you do fit. It's for a car,
Oh
bro.
my god. I feel like my ear.
I don't see if there's a road in front of me.
Oh my god.
Why is your window... down?
What the fuck are those keys?
Oh
Are
shit.
those your keys or like a chain or
I
what?
heard. I heard.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nah.
We're leaving, chill.
That's not even close. Bro, you go up too. Oh my
We didn't
god.
even have to go all the way in there. I was already
I
scared.
know.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Oh, I'm not down.
Shit.
Dude, that was
Oh my
scary.
god.
Our cemetery.
You tell me you didn't hear shit when your window was down.
I know.
On your side, I was hearing shit. And I'm not tripping.
I know. I'm not tripping either.
Right, put the way back home. Your GPS.
Give us
Okay.
one.
We need to get the fuck away around
Get the
here.
fuck out of here. GPS,
You
dude.
heard that, right? Like, it was fucking.
I know.
I think I got it.
Put the GPS. I don't know where to
That
go.
was fucking scary, bro.
The birds.
Oh,
No fucking bird chirps at 1 a.m., bro.
No, they don't. They
nothing
really don't.
chirps at 1 a.m.
Hey, put your windows up. I'm cold.
Oh.
It's lazy.
You're an asshole.
That is the meanest thing you've done to us.
Yo, the way back home. I don't know where to go.
I don't know, just drive. Fuck.
Just drive straight for a bit. I
Hold
got
the window up.
I just want to, like, consume that because that shit was scary.
Which way I do?
Dude, I feel so weird.
Obamacare.
I looked back for a little bit and then I was like, I couldn't. I felt like something was gonna pop me.
That was super sketchy. Okay, right. No, I'm just kidding.
No, hurry though.
No, you're gonna hop on the 105.
So do I keep going straight?
Yeah.
That was the worst.
That was scary.
I literally put my head on and I was hiding behind Gabby.
I didn't even look up. Fuck that. I looked up for a little bit and I looked to the side. I was like,
I
what?
looked up once we were leaving because I didn't want to see.
I was hearing shit from your window, bro. That screwed me out.
I know, right? I put their windows down. They were locked.
Jerk.
It's crazy.
You're crazy.
You didn't have to back up though. I think you could have went in a circle, no?
Yeah,
You guys are freaking out too much, so I did what I.
Were you not freaking out?
Bro, it was scary.
A
That
little bit.
Scary as fuck, I swear.
It was scary.
You're gonna make me crash, dude.
Yeah, you tried grabbing the wheel. Huh?
I didn't
Yeah.
want you to go in.
That was scary, guys. Can you imagine if, like, there was no way out after you would have kept going on that
Yeah.
road?
Low key, we would have been so lost.
Yeah. I think that's how people die.
Thank God you didn't go up because the road only showed the circle.
Yeah.
And then where the fuck would we want?
He would have to drove backwards out. And if
We
that's if we
locked
didn't.
the car and sleep here and cry. Or we ditched the car. Those were our options.
No, I would not get
No,
out
I
the
would not
car.
fucking get the fuck out of the car. I wouldn't just go rob you like that. Fuck that.
Calls parents. Yeah.
I got a headache. Just
Yeah, we fucked up. Help.
So we're not in Cerritos.
We're not Choteano.
just get a couple lamps and just come up here.
Please find us.
Maybe bring the Bible.
Bring the priest.
I feel weird.
I know, I don't
I
feel
don't
like.
feel like okay.
No, scary.
I feel like I don't know. I feel weird.
Oh, nice.
You don't feel alright.
My body.
I'm gonna put them and then we can make them turn to me all night.
Haha. I got Martin, and he actually stays on the
Do I keep going straight?
Honestly, I don't even know where you're going.
Oh,
Why are
what
they so
the
many
hell?
people out?
It's just in my phone. What's your thing?
25. Start it, maybe. Why don't you start it?
I like taking directions. Oh, you're going backwards.
Because you didn't start it.
Yeah, the freeway's the other.
No, you're joking, right?
I'm really
I don't want to pass by it again.
I'm really not. The freeway
Can
is
he
I gotta make a U-turn?
No, just
Yeah.
keep driving straight and like let it reroute you.
Route to 8551 Maduro Street.
Do you really want to
Proceed to the route. In
It
half a
was a
mile,
weird
turn
vibe.
right.
Nah, it didn't take you to 710.
Yeah, I feel.
Oh, yeah?
I
Now, first it said the 105, but then you get the 710. And
You see
then.
those shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't pass
Yeah, but
Were you
everything's so
recording?
empty.
I know.
Everything's so dark
it.
here.
That's what it feels like.
This is in the cemetery.
Dude, Gabby was screaming a lot.
Because I look back like an idiot.
Because I feel like you actually drove it there.
I had to look back. And then I heard like some noise. Weird noise. I had
Birds.
Turn right to merge onto I-710 North.
710 North. Yeah. 50, yeah.
Huh?
Mister.
That was way too scary.
Was it though?
But yeah.
Imagine if you would have kept going.
In
You would have
8.6
gotten
miles,
lost.
take exit
Not just that, but I would
highway.
Take what? What?
Yo, you're just gonna go straight onto, and then you're just gonna take,
Like you wanted to do
yeah.
You're
gonna exit on the
that
freeway.
little thing.
You get me? This one takes us home, right? That was trippy.
That was weird. Are we done with our cemetery days?
Yeah. It was 1 day. 2 days. 'Cause
Yeah.
this is the next day.
No, but Angel's right. There's another cemetery in Downey.
Alright, let's go. Where?
Look up cemeteries in Downey to come up. Angel, you have my phone.
Yeah, but no, honestly, what creeps me out is the whole thing that the windows are freaking down. That's what creeps me out.
Yeah,
Freak
that's
out.
what's scary.
Really?
Yeah, like
Hold that window down.
that makes it so much worse.
Huh?
Hold that window down.
That was scary.
That was scary.
That was scary. Like I still feel weird. Like I feel so weird right now.
Probably because you were screaming so much.
That's why I need some air.